morning, my friends, and welcome to my channel, Prodbug108. And I'm seriously very happy to see you guys after a long time. I'm putting some new content after a long time. And we are going to, in this particular series, we are going to cover the playwright from beginner to advanced level. Okay, if you are from like we are going to cover in the JavaScript. Okay, but even if you are from the Java background, from C Sharp or any other languages background, or even if you are from the like functional background, maybe you face some difficulty. But yes, if you know any languages, then it will going to be very cakewalk for you, because we are going to cover the playwright exactly from the scratch, even if you don't have any idea. Okay, so this is, guys, this is one of the very nice tool which is going very strong in the market. If you see the usage, if you see the graphs, this is like crossing everything. Okay, so it will soon overcome the Selenium, and it's already crossing, I think, the Cypress. So now this is the tool of the day. Okay, so which you have to learn. Okay, this is really very powerful. You can do the web automation with Playwright. You can do the UI automation. You can use the web and the API as well. Okay, you can run your test cases in the mobile view in case for the mobile app. So you have to test your website. So you can uh, dynamically change your viewports, all those things. Okay, so it is going to be helpful in mobile automation as well. So web, API, and mobile. So everything we are going to cover in this particular series. Okay, what else? We are going to create the page object model framework so that you can exactly implement that kind of page object model in your project. So we are going to cover that part as well. Apart from that, we are going to cover the API automation. Okay, so that has been explained in details. For the time being, we are covering the UI automation in this particular series. Okay, and uh, we have a demo website. Okay, so we will cover each and every part. Okay, so let's see. Before starting this series, I want to show you guys this particular what we are planning to cover. So part one will be the web UI automation, which is what we are going to see from the next chapter. After that, I'm going to create this framework using the page object model for you guys. You can refer it, you can implement in your project. That will be really going to be very helpful for you guys. And after that, the third part will be contains the API automation, which you are going to cover. And apart from that, if you are not from the JavaScript background, so for those people, I'm going to create a JavaScript series separately apart from the Playwright, so that in case you are not comfortable, so I would suggest you go and check the JavaScript series before starting the Playwright. But even after that, even if you don't want to go much deep into the JavaScript, I can say you can directly start the Playwright series. Even if you are from, let's say, Java or any particular language, you can easily understand. Okay, so there is no problem at all. So you don't need to know JavaScript before starting the Playwright. Okay, I have started, lots of people have done, so I know that it's very easy, okay, to learn Playwright without knowing the JavaScript. Okay, so but in case you want to understand deeply and you want to work more thoroughly, I would suggest you can go with the TypeScript or JavaScript series before starting the Playwright. Okay, it is totally up to you, but you try to do it without going through the JavaScript or TypeScript series. Okay, at the end, we are going to cover the Cucumber framework and all these things, so that you can also implement that in your project. Okay, so this is the content of this particular series, which we are going to cover step by step. Okay, so my recommendation will be like don't jump from video to video. Okay, so just watch one video, practice it side by side, or take some days, and then only go to the next chapter. Okay, otherwise if you keep on watching chapter by chapter, at the end you will, I don't think so you will get that much benefit. Okay, so this is how you should go about with the Playwright, and let me show you in more detailed what so this is the topic I have prepared. So this is what right now we are going to start with the web UI automation. In the web UI, we will see how to do the installation, the different UI components. You can go through them. Okay, all the whatever the UI elements we have, I have just written in short. Okay, we have covered more than what I have written here, but we will going to see tables, sessions. Okay, we'll see the different features of the Playwright recording also available. Okay, just like Selenium ID, we have the recorder available in the Playwright, so you can use that to automate your test cases. Lots of traces, logs, all these things are already inbuilt in the Playwright. Okay, that's why I really like this tool. We are going to cover all these alerts, prompt, iframe, windows switching, and all these things, session storage, login, parallel and retry logic. Everything is there. You don't need to do anything. Just by configuration, just by changing one flag, you can implement the retry logic. Just by changing one flag, you can do it parallel or sequential. Okay, so everything has been done by the Playwright, guys. We don't have to do much. Okay, just we have to do one code of line change, and everything is in your hand. Okay, we have a beautiful report from the Playwright. You don't need to implement any other report, but still I have implemented the Allure reporting for you guys, so that you can still, if you are a fan of Allure reporting, you can try to use that as well. Okay, apart from that, we have the API automation. We are going to cover all these topics. I may add few more topics in this, but as of now, this is the list I'm planning to create. Page object model we are going to cover. Okay, um, just like in Selenium we used to do, we are going to cover the page object model framework in Playwright. Then we have the Cucumber framework, then we have the JavaScript and the TypeScript series separately. Okay, so I would suggest, if you want, you can go with the JavaScript or TypeScript or both. Okay, and or you can start without checking these series. You can directly jump to the Playwright. No problem with that. Absolutely no problem. You can believe on me. You can directly start. Okay, because we already have some idea about the coding and all this thing. We can easily understand what the code is all about. This is the default report of the Playwright. We have the nice traces. Complete detailed traces are given here. We have the screenshots, automatic screenshot. You can do the settings if you want a screenshot or not, just by one line of code. Okay, nothing much. Everything is there in the configuration Playwright has given to you guys. We have implemented the Allure report. Okay, because I also like this particular reports Allure, so you can use them as well. Okay, if you want. So this is about this particular series which we are going to start. Okay, so this is the chapter 0. So apart from that, we have the extent report as well, which I have added long ago. So if you want to try extent report, you can do that as well. Fine, guys. So apart from that, I would suggest you go through this generative AI. This is really going to be helpful because you know about the AI, right? This is again going very rapidly growing in the market. So I would suggest you go and check these one as well. Rest of the details are also important. If you are curious to know more about the automation, we have a lot of content in this channel. Prodbug108, you can just search with @prodbug108 in the YouTube, and you can get all the information here. Okay, so fine, guy, cool. So see you. I'm very excited to start this particular series, and I put lots of effort in preparing all the code and all these things. So I hope you will enjoy this particular content, and just let me know in the comment section if you like it or if you don't like. I'm always open to the comments. Even if you don't like something, I will happy to accept that, and I will try to improve in my next chapters. Fine, so see you guys. Let's start learning Playwright and share the knowledge, and be happy and keep smiling. Thank you. Bye bye.